Today I'm going to make the Tunisian octopus salad. And when you mix like this, then now you add your harissa. I'm going to make the little bit spicy. Now I'm going to introduce the ingredients for the octopus salad. This is the octopus. You need to cut like small size cubes. I have some diced tomatoes. You need to cut cubes and some parsley. And you need the Tunisian olive oil, virgin olive oil. Some onion, red or white, it doesn't matter, just onion. And we need the lemon juice, just 1 tablespoon, and we need the harissa. This is the homemade Tunisian harissa, and it's very easy to make it. I will show you after how to make it, this one. First things, if you're not going immediately serve the salad, please don't make the dressing immediately. Now I'm going to make the ingredients, this like octopus here. You put the tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and you can put the parsley, onion. Just mix well this one. I'm not using too much salt because octopus already there is some salt. In Japanese, when they, up to you, if you want to strong salt, you can add. And when you mix like this, then now you add your harissa. I'm going to make the little bit spicy, and this is the 100% homemade harissa. In Tunisian they use a lot of harissa, so it's nice to. And I'm going to put the lemon juice, almost tablespoon, depend on your quantity, how much your octopus. Just you put some black pepper, and the end you put some olive oil. So you can see the color now with the harissa. This is the important. Now you need to serve immediately before tomato give the water and not crunchy. So if you serve now, it will be crunchy. So just when mix like this, you can taste how much salt, or if you want to strong salt, less salt, or you want to more harissa or strong lemon, adjust it in your taste. This is the way how to make a Tunisian octopus salad. So just we'll put it in our serving plate. You can make easy in the house, not need too much ingredients, just octopus and parsley you can find easily in Japan. Now I'm going to make the Tunisian harissa. I'm showing how to make the harissa. Take some red chili and take some garlic. Now first you need to boil the water in the steamer, and after when water is boiling, you put your steamer and put your chilies. And now you need to cook around 20 minutes, and we need to cover for this one. We already steamed the red chilies and some garlic here. Almost we steam 20 minutes. Then just you blend it in the blend. Just not too much continuous, just slowly. If you want to the paste, you can go continuous, but almost done my harissa. You can see it. I'm going to blend a little bit more. Okay, now it's completely done. Heating, just see the nice color now. I'm going to put some little bit spice, little bit salt. If you want to store a long time in the refrigerator, now I'm going to add some olive oil. This is the way how to make harissa, homemade harissa, very easy. So if you get red chili, you will be success to make the Tunisian homemade harissa.